What's going on, everybody? If you've been watching my videos lately, I recently bought this 2008 Taurus X at an insanely cheap price. Mainly because it needed some TLC, it needed fixing up. It had lots of broken and malfunctioning and worn out pieces, especially on the interior. See my other videos about that. It just had all kinds of issues basically, and we're still working on them, but we've resolved pretty much everything on the interior. And it was also giving me the tire pressure sensor fault. Looked all over YouTube and the internet, and you basically just need to reprogram your tire pressure sensors to your car. And this device right here you can get on eBay, and there are other videos showing you how to program the car. I'm gonna try to go on memory real quick because I've just seen how to do it, and it worked. It got rid of the monitoring system fault for the TPMS. So you basically get you one of these guys here. I'll put a link down below to show you where to get it. But first thing you'll do as far as getting the car ready, you just put your key in the ignition, hit the brake, and then turn the key on, on 3 times. Okay, so we'll go brake, on, off, on, off, on. Okay, then brake, on, off, on, off, on, off. You'll hear the horn beep outside if you did that sequence correctly. Then you will take your device and hang tight 1 second, and I'll walk around the car and show you how it's done. All right, I got you in my hand here. The dashboard will also tell you that the car is in training mode. See, right after it goes through its normal sequence, right there, train left front tire. So you'll basically begin from the left front tire, and your little tool right here that you can get online, you'll push the button on it while it's touching the valve stem. Horn will beep. Now you go clockwise around the car and do the same thing. Okay, so valve stem, touch the button, horn honks. It's like kind of voodoo secret, right? Okay, same back here. Horn honks. And then the last tire, same thing. Okay, and then the dash will say, after it goes through its usual notifications, training complete, which means your TPMS sensors in each tire have now been trained to the car's computer. Beautiful, right? Okay, and from here you can just shut the ignition off and go on your merry way. But that should get rid of the stupid tire pressure sensor fault that is often right there on your dash. It should get rid of it. It did for mine. So this is a 2008 Ford Taurus X, and it should be the same procedure for tons of different Ford models. So try that. I know it's a little bit tricky at first, but you basically go through that procedure. The car will tell you if it's in training mode and everything's going correctly by the horn honking by itself. It'll tell you if it's doing it properly. If that doesn't work properly, then you've done something wrong, or your sensors are not fitted for that procedure. There are other ways you can do it. Check out other stuff on YouTube, but that definitely fixed my issue because it was giving me the stupid TPMS error. So anywho, check out other videos. We got more going on with this car on our channel, and we're gonna be posting more soon. So y'all have a good day.